Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about rank X function. So please try to watch all my previous videos. So far I have discussed so many examples with this different scenarios. So please try to watch all the examples so that you'll get more understanding DAX. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand that today's video demo. So for time being, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported from the Excel. So category, date, geography, internet sales, product, sales territory, subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel. So, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding the relationship, it's very important in Power BI. Now we'll try to have a look at. So go to click on model. So now we can see that, so already I have established the relationship between the dimension table and fact table. For example, if I place the mouse, you can see that based on this product key, I have established the relationship between the dimension table and fact table. So, and also we'll try to understand, so what kind of direction it is, whether it is a single direction or both the direction. So we can enable both the direction also, but it's up to the requirement. So for timing, I have enabled single direction only. So the filter propagation like a dimension table to the fact table, it's like that. We'll try to talk more on this in upcoming sessions. For timing, we'll try to understand today's report only. Just click on report. So now we can see that, so I have the rank, category, total sales, and I have created 3 measures. So I'll try to explain. So for getting this first category, second category, third category, fourth category, so I have created a separate table. So I'll try to show that. So just click on ranking. So now we can see that I have 4 columns in this table. So one is rank, category, minimum, maximum, number. So in first category 1 to 5, second category is 6 to 10, third category is 11 to 20, fourth category is 21 30. So based on that, I'm just creating 2 columns. One is a minimum, maximum. Based on these numbers, I'm creating the category. And also I have taken one more column. So this helps to sort this rank category. Sometimes it's not giving properly, so that is the reason I have created this number column for sorting purpose only. Okay, now go to the report. So if you notice here, in first category, I'll try to take the snipping. I'm taking the snipping. So if you notice here, in rank category, we have first category 1 to 5. It means that, so in product table, I'm taking the what are the products performing more in descending order. I'm just taking 1 to 5 total sales. Okay, what are the products having the rank in between 1 and 5? I'm taking those sales in 2001. Okay, in 2002, how much sales? In 2003, how much sales? In 2004, how much sales? So in second category 6 to 10, so what are the products having the rank 6 to 10 in between in 2001? I am taking those sales. Okay, in 2000 also like that. In third category 11 to 20, what are the products having the rank 11 to 20 in 2001? I am taking those sales amount. Okay, so like that I have created this measures rank scale underscore 1, so rank sales underscore 2, rank sales underscore 3. But if you notice here, all these 3 measures are giving the same output only. There is no difference at all. Okay, same output only, there is no difference at all. But why I have created 3 measures instead of 1? Because I have created slightly the little change in each measure. So I will try to show that what kind of expression I have written for each measure, very short. So here, so the thing is that each category wise. So I am just capturing the sales in between those ranks, into how much 2001, how much 2002, 3, something like that. Okay, now I will go to the report. So like that I have created this report, and now I will try to understand what are the measures I have created. So for total sales, so try to zoom it, we can see that. So I have declared one variable. Within this I'm just using calculate sum x function, and finally I'm just validating if the what are the sales is a blank or not. If it is blank, return the blank, otherwise return this expression what are the written in variable. Okay, so in first one, ranks scale underscore 1. So if you see here, so I have used the calculate sum x function and also filtering. So within this I'm using another function, filter. Okay, nested filter kind of thing. So here I'm just calculating the rank x and comparing. So whatever the table I have created a ranking table, so by taking the condition whether it is minimum so or maximum, based on that I'm just returning the so rank products, ranks ranks sales, so product wise for each year, like 2001, 2, 3, 4, something like that. So this is one measure. So when I go to the second measure, so here, so I have used the sum x, okay, within the filter expression. But when it comes to here in filter expression I have used the counters function. Okay, but in third measure, so I have used the sum x as a table argument. I have used this filter function. Within this expression I have written all the logic. In expression column I have used the calculate sum x function. So like that I have created these three measures, but all measures are giving the same output only, so there's no difference at all. So like that we can create this category wise sales and all. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for our videos. Thanks so much for watching.